Children, today I am here with your next chapter, that is chapter number 7 in your GK book of class 8. So in class 8 children, in chapter number 5 we'll study about ecology, eco quiz. Okay, we'll take a eco quiz over here. Answer the following questions with the help of the clues given in the clue box. The options are greenhouse gases, biodegradation, green peace, hydrosphere 1992, and many other options are there. Okay, so we'll just read out the question one by one and we'll try to answer these questions. So sit with a pencil and then you can just fill in your book along with me. Okay, the first question is, what is the water surface that includes oceans, seas, lakes and rivers called? We all know that the part which is covered, the realm of earth which covers water, is termed as hydrosphere. Understood? Hydro means water, so all the water bodies comes under hydrosphere. Come to question number 2. What is the particular height of the mountains above which the air is so cold that the snow does not melt throughout the year called? Okay, so that height, that particular height on the mountain is termed as snow line. Okay, now come to question number 3. What are the gases that cause the formation of the ozone hole that allows the ultraviolet rays of the sun to reach the earth called? Okay, so what is the name of what is the name of the gases? The gases are greenhouse gases. Okay, come to question number 4. Which poisonous gas leaked from a factory in Bhopal in 1984? So the gas that leaked from the factory was methyl isocyanate. methyl isocyanate, methyl isocyanate. Okay, the spellings are given in the clue box, so you can just take this help of clue box and you can write the correct spelling. Don't write the wrong spelling. Now come to question number 5. Name the process used to turn organic materials like vegetable peel means chilka, fruit pulp, etc. into a rich mixture that makes soil fertile. So the process is termed as biodegradation. Question number 6. Forces of which country set oil fields on fire during 1991 Gulf War and caused serious air pollution? So the country's name is Iraq. Question number 7. Name the toxic gas used as a herbicide that leaked in Seveso, Italy in 1976. The toxic gas was TCDD. Question number 8. When was the conference on environment held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil? It was held in 1922. Now come to the next question 9. Which organization blockaded ships dumping toxic waste into the North Sea? The answer is Greenpeace. 10. Name the movement in which villagers gathered to hug trees and prevented them from being cut down in the hilly forest areas of Garhwal. सो इस मूवमेंट में लोग जो है आकर ट्रीज से चिपक जाते थे. ओके, in order to prevent them from being cut. So what is the movement called as? This movement was called as Chipko movement. Question number 11. Name the movement started by farmers to protest against damage caused by building a dam on the Narmada river. So the answer is Mitti Bachao Abhiyan. Question number 12. Question number 12. Name the campaign started by Veerbhadra Mishra, a civil engineer who was the priest of a temple. Priest means Pandit. Priest of a temple to clean up the polluted rivers of India. So the answer is Swachh Ganga Abhiyan. Question number 13. Who was awarded the title Vrikshamitra by the government for her role in protecting the natural environment in village Raini in Garhwal? The answer is Gaura Devi. Gaura, Gaura Devi. Okay. 14. The last question. Which program was launched by the United Nations for International Cooperation in Environmental Conservation? The answer is UNEP, UNEP. Okay. Now come to the next chapter, that is chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 is all about prehistoric animals, okay, that existed in prehistory. Animals connected with the period in history of which there are no written records are called prehistoric animals. Apart from dinosaurs, there existed many animals and birds that are extinct. Extinct means gayab ho gana, disappeared. Okay, now they are no more found on the earth. Given below are some incomplete statements on prehistoric animals. Complete them with the help of the clues. Question number 1. Prehistoric animals have become extinct mainly because they were unable to dash themselves to evolutionary changes. So, they have become extinct because they were unable to adapt themselves. Okay, अपने आप को ढाल नहीं पा रहे थे in the changing environment. Question number 2. The biggest land mammal that is said to have existed on earth was the mammoth. As you can see the picture of mammoth over here. It resembles like an elephant, but it's not an elephant, it's a mammoth. Okay, but is mammoth found nowadays, children? No, it's not found nowadays. It has become extinct. Okay, it comes under extinct category. Now, question number 3. The mammoth existed during the dash. Its fossil it existed during the ice age. Okay, and its fossil was found. Fossil means remain. Okay, जब कोई भी प्लांट या एनिमल मर जाते हैं तो उनके रिमेन्स को क्या बोलते हैं? जब उनका रिमेन पाया जाता है तो उसको रिमेन को हम फॉसिल बोलते हैं. ओके, डेड रिमेन्स ऑफ प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स. Its fossil was found in Siberia. The dash tiger belonged to the cat family. They resembled the big cats of today. So the saber tooth. Saber means curved. Okay, S-A-B-R-E. Don't pronounce it as sabre. It's saber. Now, the saber tooth tiger had two top front teeth which were shaped like dash, which were shaped like sabers. Sabers means curved. Okay. Question number 6. The saber-toothed tiger was a ferocious hunter, Khunkar, and ferocious means Khunkar, ferocious hunter, and used its huge dash for stabbing and tearing its prey. Used its huge teeth. Okay, so by the help of its teeth, it used to stab and tear its prey. Stab करना मतलब जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि he stabbed his back. Stab मतलब कि खंजर घोंपते, खंजर करते हैं ना, किसी को खंजर से अटैक करते हैं. ओके, विद द पॉइंटेड थिंग. तो हियर द सेबर टूथ टाइगर, ओके, इट यूज्ड टू अटैक its prey. It used to attack its prey by with the help of its teeth by stabbing. Okay. Question number 7. Most of the dinosaurs existed during the dash. Existed during the Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period means the period between the, you can say, the Jurassic, the period between the Jurassic period and the Tertiary period. Understood? Now, the dash was a herbivorous dinosaur. Herbivorous means one who eats only plants. Okay, plants and other grasses. With a now, question number 8. The dash was a herbivorous dinosaur with a very long neck and tail. The answer is Diplodocus. Okay, the answer is Diplodocus. 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 It is written as Diplodocus, but it's not pronounced as Diplodocus. It's pronounced as Diplodocus. Okay. Now question number 9. The dash was the largest of all dinosaurs. So the answer is Brachiosaurus. Okay, the answer is Brachiosaurus was the largest of all dinosaurs. It weighed about 80 tons. So just imagine how large it would have been. Question number 10. Question number 10. Dash is the oldest known fossil bird that appeared on the earth about 159 to 144 million years ago. So the answer is Archaeopteryx. Please see the correct spelling from the clue box. Don't write the wrong spelling. Now question number 11. Archaeopteryx had a full set of dash, a long tail and 3 claws. So it had a full set of teeth. Question number 12. The age of dash is divided into 3 periods: Triassic period, Jurassic period and Cretaceous period. Okay, so the age of dinosaurs. Question number 13. In 1842, Dash coined the term dinosaur. So who coined the term dinosaur, children? Sir Richard Owen. Question number 14. The first creatures to live on land were the amphibians. Now who are amphibians? The creatures that live on land as well as in water are termed as amphibians. Okay, for an example, frog is an amphibian. It lives on land as well as in water also. As well as in water. Now question number 16. Dash was the ancestor of the horse. So who was the ancestor of the horse, children? Pliohippus. 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 Okay. So you can just see the picture of saber-tooth tiger. Saber means, I already told you, saber means curved. So just look in the picture. This tiger has got curved teeth. Okay. Now come to question number 15. Dash were marine creatures with no vertebrae. They had a hard shell to protect themselves. So what kind of creatures were these? They were ammonites. 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 Come to question number 16. Dash were the ancestors of the horse. So sorry, I already discussed this. Now question number 17. Dash was one of the first reptiles to appear on earth. It resembled a lizard. So the answer is Pterola Cercosaurus. Okay, the answer is Pterola. Okay, Pterola Cercosaurus. Clear? So I know the spelling is tough, but you need to learn it by breaking the spelling part by part. Okay, and then you can just learn how to pronunciate. Okay, where P is silent and you can just pronounce it Pterola Cercosaurus. Clear? Now come to question number 18. Dash was a huge creature. It was the ancestor of the elephant and existed in the Ice Age. So the answer is, what is the answer, children? Answer is Mastodon. 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 So I hope you might have written the answers. If you haven't written, please write it and learn it by heart. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, children.